before talking about the iPhone 12, let's talk about the box. Whether you are planning on picking out the new iPhone 12 model or the iPhone SE or even the iPhone 11, you have to spend few extra bucks to pick up a new power adapter. Apple announced today that it will no longer ship the charging brick with its phones. With 2 billion Apple chargers already released over the years, Apple is portraying this as an environmental move rather than a way to increase profit margins. Also missing from the boxes will be the headphones. Instead, you will find higher quality USB-C to Lightning cables alongside the iPhones in the box. Now, Apple has just officially unveiled 4 new iPhones. In this episode, we will talk about the Pro models. This year's Pro models feature a brand new design with flat sides and a modern take on the iconic look of the iPhone 4. The iPhone 12 Pro features 6.1-inch display and starts at a price of $1,000. It is coming in 3 signature colors: silver, graphite and gold, as well as a 4th brand new color option, blue. The blue version is a type of a navy blue that looks nice, but the gold is particularly interesting. It has a different type of glow. Storage for the base Pro model is 128GB and there will be 256GB and 512GB as well. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has a 6.7-inch screen, slightly larger than the 6.5-inch one on the previous model, and its price starts at $1,100. It arrives in the same choice of colors as the Pro model and also offers the same storage capacities. One of the most exciting news on the spec sheet is the new A14 Bionic. Apple announced its 5nm A14 chip last month when it announced the iPad Air 4, and it was also mentioned that the processor is more power efficient and better performing than the already industry-leading performance of the 7nm A13 Bionic used in the iPhone 11 series. Now, Apple has revealed the A14 has 11.8 billion transistors, an increase of nearly 40% over the A13. Its CPU performance is up to 50% faster than any other smartphone CPU. GPU is also 50% faster. Now, if you look at the market, next year we will see 2 more 5nm chips: the Exynos 2100 and Snapdragon 875 SoC. All of those integrated circuits will be manufactured by Samsung. Anyway, the Pro series iPhones use surgical grade stainless steel for the frame, not aluminum like the more affordable iPhone 12 models. But the big story is about the front cover glass, which is brand new. Apple co-developed this with Corning and calls it ceramic sealed, while claiming this as the toughest glass ever used in a smartphone as usual. The end result is that you get up to 4 times better draw performance. Apple is making some significant upgrades to the cameras on the Pro models. It is also still including the telephoto zoom lenses only on the Pro series iPhones. The main camera now has a completely new system for OIS called sensor shift, which applies deviation to the sensor instead of the heavier lens. This cancels both low and high disturbances like hand movement or movement in the car. The big news on the camera front is Smart HDR3, which captures better HDR shots. Night mode on the iPhone 12 Pro models also gets better. It is now also available on all cameras, including the ultra-wide and front cameras. The new LiDAR sensor can see in the dark and comes in handy for faster autofocus in low light, and this works for both photos and videos. The iPhone 12 Pro now supports Dolby Vision video capture with HDR, and you can also edit them directly in the Photos app. That's so powerful. Both the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max supports a new 5G connectivity standard, and they will also work with the high-speed millimeter wave 5G signal utilized by Verizon. While Apple is not disclosing the actual battery size inside these iPhones yet, the company says the battery life is slightly better than the previous model. Apple is also innovating with the wireless charging. These iPhones introduce MagSafe, a series of magnets around the wireless charging core that allows the wireless charger to snap in the right place for perfect alignment with the coil and base charging result. Apple is also introducing a series of new cases that also snap tightly to the phone. And now, iPhones also support wireless charging speed up to 15 watts. Here are the prices for the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max models. Overall, this seems like a big upgrade for the Pro models, with welcome improvements to photography, videography, a faster processor, and an iconic new design. Anyway, please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.